انا بقى هنا عايز اقول كلمه للناس اللي بتشوف والناس اللي بتسمعه والناس بتقتنع بآراءه. اذا كان هذا الرجل بيعمل كده وهو طالع بيدعي الدين، على فكره هي برضه بعثت رساله بالمعنى ده مسجله صوتيا، قالت يا جماعه ارجوكم انا عايزه ابلغ رساله للناس اللي عندكم ان ما تصدقوش هذا الرجل، ما تصدقوش ان هو بيدعي ان هو شيخ وانه مسلم وهو لا يعاملني باي علاقه بالاسلام، يعني كان بيعاملها معامله شديده العنف.
Something that a lot of women from Instagram, from dating sites. So it's many relations that you can't imagine. I was just keep quiet and accept everything, accept all. Like I don't see, like I don't hear anything. He also invited me to drink vodka. Even he know that I'm sick, that I'm on chemo. And even he know that I'm a Muslim, but he still insisted me. And if I refuse, he would beat me as always. He's also a heavy smoker. Even smoking is not allowed for me because I have chemo. I'm in chemotherapy treatment. But still, he keeps smoking, and that makes him nervous most of the time. And usually he beat me while I'm coming from cancer treatment. Even I'm so weak, I'm too much weak. If he wants something like what the husband and wife doing, and I should prepare like another woman, like not a normal woman that you saw maybe in somewhere, he actually want me to do this. Because if not, he will beat me. He never applied the religion that he is telling to the people. He only pretend and never treat me as real Muslim. This is him. That's what I experienced of him during the time that I'm with him. All of you see him as Sheikh Muslim, but believe me, he never treated me as Muslim. He always did all wrongful action in life, and he only pretend that in front of you. Please don't believe him again. Please take care of his life. You are not Allah. You are not Allah. And you can say this to me. I will do anything that I want, and it's none of your business. He always answer me like this.
لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة.